Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see the new feature in Luma Labs Dream Machine. We already know the Luma Labs Dream Machine is a AI video generator. So they introduced a new feature. So let's see what is that feature. So let's get started. So go to lumalabs.ai/Dream Machine. I drop a link in the description. I already posted a video on how to generate videos using this AI generator, so you can check that video as well. I drop a link for that video in the description as well. So go to this website, and the new feature is you can add images as your key point. So you can drop your first image as a starting point and the second image as an ending point, and it will animate the in-betweens. So let's see. So I just created these two images, and I'm gonna drop in this as the starting point and this as the ending point. So I'm gonna click on this icon to drop the image. So I'm gonna select this one as my starting point. These two images are generated using Playground AI. You can check that as well. I also created a tutorial on how to use Playground AI. You can check that as well in my channel. So I'm gonna select this one as my starting point, and you can see the end frame. So you can directly type in a prompt and create video using this one image, but the additional feature is now available, the end frame. So click on that, and this will be my ending point. So I'm gonna type in the prompt. So I expected this video to morph from that Indian guy to Hulk. So I'm gonna type in the prompt like this: morph character and environment, comma, Indian guy turning into Hulk. So you can choose expand prompt if you want. So you can also give camera movement if you like. So I'm gonna give static camera movement. You can check enhance prompt if you want. Let's try one. So I'm on a free tier, so only 5 generation for today, and 30 generation for the month. So I have only 21 left. So I'm gonna click on go to generate. So you can also see, due to high demand, we are temporarily limiting free tiers to 5 generation per day. Paid tiers have a priority in the queue and no limit. So it is having high demand, so it will take some time to create the output. While it is in the queue, let's try different images. So I'm gonna go to Playground AI. I'm gonna choose realism engine. If you want photorealism with great facial features, you can use photorealism filter in Playground AI. It is creating great images. So I'm gonna use a realism engine for now, and I'm gonna type in some time. So I'm gonna use expand prompt, and using expand prompt, we can create new image style ideas to convert the short prompts into new image style ideas. So let's generate one. So I don't like this. This is not looking realistic. Let's change the filter to a realistic stock photo. Let's try with this filter. Okay, so this one looks good. So I'm gonna upscale it. So go to actions, upscale by subtle. So this is the before and this is after. So I'm gonna download it. So I'm gonna create another image. This time I'm gonna give winter time, use expand prompt, and go to control traits and click on add control. Make sure it is in H2 image and upload your image and select this summertime image. So now if I generate, it will convert this image into winter time. Let me show you. In future, I will be creating specific tutorials on how to use this control traits. we have edges, depth, and pose. In future videos, I may be doing tutorial on this. For right now, I'm gonna click on generate and show you. You can see the same boat is over here, but it is a winter season. So let us try to drop this in Luma AI and see how the result come. So I'm gonna upscale it and download. I'm gonna settle upscale, download, and go to Luma AI. Still the previous video is in queue, so I'm gonna drop the summer image as a starting point, and the end frame will be the winter image. Summer to winter. So let's try to generate, and both the video got generated. So let's see the result. So this is the first one. So the output is not good. So the first frame is an Indian man, and the next frame directly cut off to Hulk. So this is not what I expected. Let's see the second one. This is the summer to winter transition. So you can see this one looks good. So you can see the result. So for this one, you can change the prompt and try again. So I have only 19 left, so that I'm not going to do that. You can see the example generation over Luma AI Twitter. So you can see the child is transforming to Super Saiyan. So there are many different video generation over here. You can check Luma AI official Twitter page. So that's it. This is how we can use first frame and end frame in Luma AI to create a video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.